or a small generator just to use on the homestead, maybe to recharge a battery, or you've got a small fridge, or maybe even a small chest freezer you need to run, things like that, this may be the option for you. Aivolt sent me out their 1600 for me to try. It is a small generator. To put that in perspective, this is a barbecue, a 20-pound propane bottle here. So very compact. It is not going to run a whole house or anything like that. But if you're just needing something small to be able to run some small items, especially with the cookouts and stuff like that coming up, running fans, or maybe even running like these 12-volt fridge freezers, like Travico or Set Power has sent out. This is a very viable option. At about 20 feet, I'm getting like 53 decibels on my reader. It's got a 1200 watt runtime. I'm sorry, 1200 watt like running watts. Okay, and it'll surge up to 1600. It weighs 28 pounds, so it's hardly anything. Very compact, as you can see, without me giving you exact dimensions. It holds 0.6 gallons of fuel, gas, super easy to start, and it'll do about 8 hours of runtime at a very light load, mind you. But you'll have a light load when you're cycling on and off with compressors and stuff on fridges and things like that. I like using these when I need to jumpstart a vehicle, or even charge a small solar system, and I don't want to have to stay there and really monitor, and I don't want to lug around a big generator. I don't want to have to hook my truck up to it because I've got other things going on. So what I like to do is I will take a battery charger and a small generator like this, hook up the units, and walk away, go do something else. I'll fill it up with fuel and just let it run its course. Only holds like a half quart of oil. It's not very much. It does not come with the oil, but no big deal. A lot of them do, and I just use their oil as a way to kind of cycle things through. But very quiet, very lightweight, powerful enough to run some small stuff. You're not, great for camp. Throw this in the back of the vehicle, and you're going to go to camp for something for the week, deer camp or all these cookouts. Good for that. It does have a USB charger and a USB-C port on the front. It does have parallel ports, so you could hook more than one of these together. And it does have an eco mode, just to help quiet it down, and two 120 volt plugs on the front. The max rating on this is about 10 amps. So that's give or take just over 1,000 watts of power. But let me go ahead and fire it up for you, just so that you can see how quietly it is. It does have a fuel shutoff here on the side. It's got your choke and a fuel vent on your cap here. So you'll turn on your fuel and then make sure that you're in start. And let's try this without the choke first. So you'll get a little bit of a surge right there when it starts up, and super quiet, easy enough that you can talk over top of it. It's on eco mode right now, just for giggles. I'll go ahead and turn off of eco mode, and I'm going to use my decibel reader, and I'm going to give you a reading. See if I can. Right now, with where we're at, I'm going to stop talking, and I'm going to hold this up. We're only about 10 feet away from it right now. Okay, so about 59. I'm going to go ahead and turn off eco mode. And when they give you ratings for these, they're setting these at like 23 feet is what a lot of those ratings are, or those readings are taken at. We're quite a bit closer right now, but to give you a good idea anyways. So even with eco mode off, we've only come up to about 64. Now, that's not under a load, and you might get a little bit of a spike there, but I'm going to turn this off so we can finish talking. They do have a 2-year warranty on it, which is better than Harbor Freight. Okay, their price right now, I believe when I looked this morning, was $299. I'm going to put a link for it down below. Okay, I think Harbor Freight's closest unit is, I don't want to misspeak, I think it's $599. So basically it's double the price, or really, really close. What, 300, 700, so whatever, or 300 and 600. So yeah, it's double the price, sorry. Super good option if you're just looking for something to run some really light loads. Like I said, battery chargers, campsites, cookouts, things like that. It may run a small air conditioner. It's going to have to be a small one. You know, I don't remember the specs on like a 5,000 BTU, but if it's under 1,200 running watts, you should be good. It won't be able to get over 1,600 peak watts. So that's our surge, okay, to help get those electric motors and stuff going. So if you have any questions or you need a specific test run or something like that, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I will do my best to answer it. Aivolt Aivolt 1600 is the generator here. Link down below. I hope that helps y'all. Catch y'all in the next one. Mountain Wizard out. See ya.